Okay, this is my cutting board. It has measurements at 3 feet and a 1.5 foot thickness for cutting these boards, these cardboards. I open the box at the seam where the board is connected, and then line it up, and cut along the line, and then I make sure that it'll be 3 feet, or it's 3 feet now, and then a 1.5 foot with the curve. And then I take these over to the box here, and they fit right in there, and they stack up. And then this box has a hole in the top of it and 3 holes in the bottom. And when it's completely full, I drill through it with this. This is a regular spade bit with 2 extensions on it. I need to tighten that one. And it goes through them all the way where I can tie strings. And I use this homemade needle. I just ground the edge of it sharp. Bought a piece of metal at the hardware store, drilled a hole in it, and then I string 3 loops through the cardboard. And then after it's tied, it holds it together and keeps the back straight. And these are the strips of wood that are gonna These are the strips of wood that are gonna be on the wall, that are gonna be glued to it to hold it up against the wall. That's just to see if it would actually stay there. And I'll be attaching strips to the 2x4s of my garage and stacking the panels there. And once they're all stacked, it'll be soundproofed for music recording.